Hi yogis, it's Sarah on Sarah Yoga. Just wanted to give you a quick update why I haven't uploaded any new videos for the past 2 weeks. I recently had a laparoscopic surgery for endometriosis, and so I'm still recovering from that. But should have a new video hopefully next week. And in this time, maybe it's taught me just to slow down, maybe do some meditations or take some quiet moments to yourself. I also have a plethora of videos backlogged that you are welcome to view. So if you have any questions or concerns, let me know. I'm doing a lot better than I was about a week ago, just slowly improving day after day. And I do look forward to seeing you all again very soon and getting back into my yoga practice in full force. So we'll see you soon. Enjoy your week, and hopefully I'll check back here next week and have some new content for you.